Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Priyanka Dubey and I help service-based entrepreneurs getting clients online. So in this video I'm going to talk about how you can grow your group without any complex things and without using the feature that Facebook suggests itself. So this is one of the new feature I have encountered with. Like I have encountered it a few days ago, but I was not getting enough time to get this video going, but now I got it, and in this video I'm going to explain everything. Okay, so stay with me to the end of the video to understand everything. So first thing, you must have a Facebook group that you want to grow on the social media on the Facebook. First thing, it should be a public one. Sorry, it should be a private or public one, it does not matter, but the admin should be you. It cannot be like third party or second party. No, to access to the feature the admin should be yourself. Okay, now when you will log in to your Facebook and you will just search your group, that is the female that is my group is Abandoned Female Entrepreneurs Group. When you will scroll down, you will get to see the grow group feature over here. Okay, now once you click it, you will get to see allow Facebook to suggest this group. You have to turn it on. Like when I'm turning it offer in when I'm turning it off, you can see that Facebook won't suggest my group to potential members for 30 days. Or if you do not want to do that, you can do that, but obviously you want to grow it, so you will never do that. So I'm just keeping it like on. After that, there are some preferences are based on the liking that you want for a group. For example, is it solely for women, or is it for men and women, or is it for both, right? So in that case you can choose the gender identity. So I will go ahead and I will choose woman and I will hit save. Now the first thing is the location. If you want to put your location, you can do that, and it is not mandated to that if you're not comfortable in, so I will just leave it like that. Now coming to the age range, you can just go ahead and you can select like the what age woman you want. So in that case I have not selected any ages preferences. Why? Because women entrepreneurs can be like from like 18 plus 65 or 60, and here I'm getting only 80 to 30 years old, which I do not want, right? Because I have my clients who are like 55 years old. I have my clients who are like 60 plus. So I want to attract those people as well into my group, and that's why I'm not gonna select um, like this separately. So I will just select no preferences and I will select all ages and I will save. Okay, so in that case I am selecting all the people. Now the fourth one is members of other groups. Now one thing you have to make into consideration while choosing that, like you can select the groups which are public, you cannot select the groups which are private. For example, my this group is private, you can see here it is written private group, so everyone and anyone cannot join it. They have to take the permission from me, they have to answer some questions, and that's why you can see that there are 90 member requests here, which I have to go ahead and I have to just decide that if I'm going to allow them or not, right? So in that case you have to also allow them if you have a private group. So in that case, when you are selecting member of others group, it means that you have to select members of other public groups, not private groups. Okay, so you can see here Facebook can suggest your groups to people who are members of the groups that you add here. You can only search for public groups that you are a member of, as I said. So these were the public group that I have added already. So if you have a list of groups, like these are also public groups, you can see here public group, public group, public group. So these are also public group, but I am not going to select them. Why? First thing, my niche is very different from them. Like these are content writing people, and in my group I select people who are like working offshore, who are service based entrepreneurs, and who are into like high end service based entrepreneurs, who are not selling low pricing things, who are selling good pricing things. So I do not want to select those people. Okay, similarly I can see here that there are people who are like Bangalore job seeker. So obviously these are the job people, and my group is for entrepreneurs. So obviously I'm not gonna select it. So be very mindful while selecting the groups. Now I'm gonna show you why the groups I have selected here. The first group I have selected here is World Women Entrepreneur. So in this group, mainly are those women who are working online, who are selling their good amount services on the internet, who are like working offshore. So I have selected such kind of groups for my own group to grow. So now what happens that I have selected all these groups. As I scroll down, you can see that. So what happens now is that all the people of these groups can now see my group as their suggested ones. So when you scroll on the Facebook, you get to see suggested groups for you, suggested video for you, right? We get to see such kind of messages. So when they will get the messages like the suggested groups for you, then my group, Abundant Female Entrepreneurs group, will get a place for them to see. Okay, so that is why we are selecting this group. So you can choose accordingly. And the next I have selected is like online coaches and consultants. Why? Because my most of the clients are coaches and service providers like SMM, graphic designers, and so on. So that's why I have selected this group and the rest of these all above. Okay, so be very mindful by selecting the group. Do not select everyone and anyone, like the group from the suggested. This is how I do that, and you can see that once you do that, once you choose this application, this suggestion, once you will do that, you will get to see that people are getting your group suggestions on their wall, on their news feed. Second thing also is that the growing group is not available for the new groups. Like my Abundant Female Entrepreneurs groups is like 8 months old, 8 or 9 months old. So in that case it is showing up. But if you will create one group now and you will just presume that you will get to see this feature, then it will not going to happen. Okay, this is not going to happen. Facebook will only show this suggestion, this feature to you once your group is somewhat old and some people are there. Okay, so yeah, that's all for the day. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next